What if I told you that in the next 7 days or less, you can have your own real deal, highly profitable affiliate marketing business ready to generate you commissions, even if you're starting from zero? Would you like to know how to do that? See, there is a secret affiliate model that nobody is talking about right now that I currently use that generates me on average about $300,000 per month in commissions. Most of it is Autopilot. Now the question is Vic, how is it even possible, right? Well, there is a book called Science of Getting Rich, and Wallace D. Wattles talks about the secret to success. He says it's not about doing certain things, it's about doing things in a certain way. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, this is hands down the shortest path to money today. Like, if you're sick and tired of banging your head against the wall, if you're buying courses, products, joining business opportunities, but you keep failing and failing, I want you to check out this training that I'm doing, because I'm going to show you a completely new world to making money online. This is the holy grail to money on the internet today. Click on the link, register for my upcoming workshop. I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing differently, and I'm going to show you how you can launch your own real deal business in 7 days flat. Nobody in the industry can say what I just told you. Check it out. Click on the link below. I'll see you there.